Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some pumpkin s'mores cookies. Are really easy to whip up. It just takes a few minutes. You're going to start off by preheating your oven to 375. Make sure you have your baking sheet ready. You want to put some parchment or a silicone lining on it. We're going to come over here to our bowl. Start off with your brown sugar. You can use light or dark, whatever you have on hand. Just a half a cup. This is creamy almond butter. And also use peanut butter, of course. This recipe is like, you could just use whatever you have on hand. For the flour, I'm using almond flour today. These just so happen to be gluten-free. 1/3 cup. You're gonna use the same measurement of some pumpkin puree. 1 egg is going in, some baking soda and salt, vanilla extract, and of course, you need some pumpkin pie spice. 1, 2. And the last part, chocolate. A half a cup of chocolate chunks. Something about this mixture just tastes identical to graham crackers. I don't know if it's like the almond flour or what. Alright guys, now that our batter is all scooped up and mixed together, I know you're probably wondering, like, where's the marshmallows? These marshmallows that I'm using today just so happen to be vegan, but that's for a reason. When these bake up in the oven, they don't melt into the cookie, they keep their shape. Go ahead and cut these into little pieces. Take your cookie scoop, you're gonna put some of your little marshmallows inside, and then you're gonna scoop out the cookie dough and plop it on the sheet. Just before I pop these into the oven, I'm just gonna put a few more of those chocolate chunks on top to give it that really gooey s'mores consistency. These are gonna bake for 12 to 15 minutes at 375. Alright guys, they're halfway there and look how delicious they look. Oh my gosh. These cookies are ready. They are like the most craziest looking cookies I've ever seen in my life. It's time for the best part now. We're gonna try one. Look at all that marshmallow and chocolate. It's so gooey and delicious. Let's break it in half. Whoa. Oh, yes. Oh man. Extremely addicting. You would never even think that this is gluten-free because it's so moist and delicious. I can't stop eating. I'm in heaven. I've died and gone to heaven. All that gooey chocolate and the marshmallow just adds a whole other texture. And the cookie part is so moist. Now, the craziest part about these cookies to me is that they taste very buttery, but there's no butter in this cookie. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below if you tried it out, and as usual, stay tuned for my quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.